Good evening, students. We will begin with the class. So last class ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ, that is the resistance of the bulb filament is 100 ohm at a temperature of 100 degrees Celsius. If its temperature coefficient of resistance be 0.005 per degree Celsius, its resistance will become 200 ohm at a temperature of, so 400 degrees Celsius ಅಂತ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು. I have everybody is having that. Yes, okay. So let us continue with the next question. That is 24. Question number 24. In a potentiometer experiment of a cell, of a cell of EMF 1.25 volt gives balancing length of 30 centimeter. If the cell is replaced by another cell, the balancing length found to be 40 centimeter. What is the EMF of the second cell? So very simple question. It is directly formula melide. So potentiometer idu balancing condition. Actually for your ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಆದ್ರೆ ನೀಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಆಗತ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಇನ್ನು ಶೋರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಶಿಯೋಮೀಟರ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ E1 by E2 is equal to L1 divided by L2. So ವೀಸ್ಟನ್ ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು. ಸೊ ವೀಸ್ಟನ್ ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂತ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ದ ಅನ್ನೋನ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದ ವೀಸ್ಟನ್ ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್, ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಶಿಯೋಮೀಟರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಡಿವೈಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ದ EMF ಅಂಡ್ ದ ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಗಿವನ್ ಸೆಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನಾವೀಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಅವರು E1 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, L1 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, L2 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. E1, E2, L1, L2. So this is the formula for the potentiometer. E1 is EMF ಅವ್ರು ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, 1.25 ವೋಲ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ E2 is equal to, ಸೊ 1.25 ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ, 30 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಇದೆ, ಕಡೆಗೆ ಮತ್ತೊಂದ್ರದ್ದು 40 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಅಂತಿದೆ. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಗೆ E2 ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ನಾನು ಈಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, E2 ಈ ಕಡೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು, ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ 1.25 ಇಂಟು 40 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 30. ಸೊ 0 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 1.25 into 4 divided by 3. Yes, what is the answer? Option B. Yes, correct. 1.67. 1.67 is the correct answer. Okay. So let us go for the next question. The question is, in Wheaton's network, P is equal to 2 ohm, Q is equal to 2 ohm, R is equal to and S is equal to 3 ohm. The resistance with which S is to be shunted in order that the bridge may be balanced is. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ, that is you have a Wheaton's network. So Wheaton network ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ತೋರಿಸಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ, we need to show 4 resistors. So here one resistor, here one resistor, here one resistor, here one resistor, ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಈಗ ಏನಂತ ಮಾಡೋಣ, that is we will label this. This is P and this is Q, this is my R and this is my S. ಇದು the first part of the question. Second part, the resistance with which S is to be shunted in order that the bridge may be balanced is. ಸೊ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ, ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಎಸ್ ರೆಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ಗೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಶಂಟೆಡ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ we are connecting one more resistor to this one so that the bridge will be balanced. ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಎಸ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಹೊತ್ತಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, ಅದರದ್ದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂತೀನಿ ನಾನೀಗ. ನನಗೆ ಇದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನ ಸಿರೀಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದ ವೀಸ್ಟರ್ನ್ ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಬಲ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ ದ 4 ರೆಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್. ಈಗ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಪ್ರೂಫ್ ಇರೋದು ಟಿಲ್ ನಾವು, ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ನಮ್ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ 4 ರೆಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. therefore I cannot take the x register in series. ಸೊ ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಉಳ್ದಿರೋದೇನು ಆಪ್ಷನ್, ದಿಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ವಿತ್ ಯುವರ್ ಎಸ್ ರೆಜಿಸ್ಟರ್, ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ನಾವು ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಪಿ ಬೈ ಕ್ಯೂ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಆರ್ ಬೈ ಎಸ್. ಸೊ ಆರ್ ಬೈ ಎಸ್ ಅನ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಎಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ವಿತ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ರೆಜಿಸ್ಟರ್, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್, parallel combination? 1 by rp is equal to 1 by r1 plus 1 by r2. therefore rp is equal to ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದು, r1 into r2 divided by r1 plus r2 ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. therefore ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಂದು s ಮತ್ತೆ x ಎರಡು ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂತೀನಿ. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ x and one register, s is one register. So product, so first to r1 into r2, that is s into x divided by r1 plus r2. So r1 plus r2 is nothing but what? s plus x. Correct? So ಈಗ ಏನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, p q r s ಎಲ್ಲಾ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಮಗೆ ಅನ್ನೋನ್ ರೆಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ, so that the network should be balanced. x ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಸೊ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. that is so p value, what is the value of p? It is 2 divided by value of q, it is also 2, is equal to what is the value of r? It is 2 divided by what is the value of s? This is 3, ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಕಡೆಗೆ x ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, x ಅನ್ನು ಹಾಗೆ ಇಡೋಣ. ಮತ್ತೆ s ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕೂಡ 3 ಇದೆ, ಈ ಪ್ಲಸ್ x, keep it as it is. So simplify, x ನೀವು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಬಹುದಾ? So simplify x here. Option B. Option B. 6 ohm is correct. What about others? Yes, Anvita, Jyoti, Nagalambika, Nagini. Getting cross multiply ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಮತ್ತೇನಿಲ್ಲ. that is here it is 2 by 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಂತೂ 1 ಆಯ್ತು, ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾಗತ್ತೆ 2 into, so it will be 3 plus x divided by 3x ಅಂತ ಆಗತ್ತೆ, correct? So now this will be 3x is equal to 6 plus 2x. So 2x I'll transfer here, this will be 3x. minus 2x is equal to 6. So 3 minus 2 is 1. That is nothing but x is equal to 6 ohm. Correct, Allah? Yes. Any doubt? Any difficulty? Yeah, answer is 6 ohm. So option B is the correct option here. I hope everyone is getting the answer. Okay, next question. Resistance ohm and 4 ohm are connected in parallel. The ratio of currents passing through them when a potential difference is applied across its ends will be. So see the question. Three resistances 2 ohm, 3 ohm, 4 ohm are connected in parallel anta helidare. Hauda? So connected in parallel. The ratio of current passing through them when the potential, so ratio of current when the potential difference is applied across its ends will be. So ratio of current, that is I1 is to I2 is to I3 is equal to when the potential difference applied is. So ನಮಗೆ resistance ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ when it is connected in the parallel. So when it is connected in the parallel, or where what is the relation between current and the potential resistance here? I is inversely proportional to R. I is inversely proportional to R. Okay, so therefore ನಾವೀಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, that is I1 is to I2 is to I3 is equal to, so reciprocal ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ 1 by R1 is to 1 by R2 is to 1 by R3 ಅಂತ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹೌದಾ? ಕಡೆಗೆ ಏನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? R1, R2, R3 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. This is 2 and this is 3 is to 1 by 4. Next. So therefore this is equal to LCM ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? LCM will be 12. So therefore it will be 12 by 2 is to 12 by 3 is to 12 by 4. So 2 ones are 2 6s are 3 ones are 3 4s are 4 ones are 4 3s are. So it is 6 is to 4 is to 3. So 6 is to 4 is to 3. That is option A is the correct answer. Option A is the understood or repeat. So let us go for the next question if it is clear to you. Yes. Okay, see this question. Two cells of EMF E1 and E2 are joined in opposition such that E1 is greater than E2. If R1 and R2 be the internal resistance and R be the external resistance, then the terminal potential difference is. So how to simplify this? So it is given by as it is in series, the equivalent EMF is given by E1 minus E2. So ನಿಮಗೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ cells in series, cells in parallel idvi. So cells in series ide. So cells in series iddaga the equivalent EMF is given by E1 minus E2. Actually E1 plus E2. The negative cells are connected in end to end. So therefore here E1 minus E2 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂತಾ ಇದೀನಿ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? The equivalent resistance is given by. The equivalent resistance is given by. So ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ internal resistance ಎರಡಿದೆ. R1 plus R2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ plus external resistance capital R ಇದೆ. You take that also. Therefore now the terminal potential. So potential ತೆಗಿಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ first ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ current ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. So electric current is equal to, here it is, E equivalent upon R equivalent. So E equivalent is E1 minus E2. R equivalent is R1 plus R2 plus R. Aita? Next, Ohm's law prakara, the potential difference, terminal potential difference V is equal to I into R. So what is my I? I is E1 minus E2 divided by R1 plus R2 plus R into capital R. So ನೀವಿಲ್ಲ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಬಹುದು, that is option B. ಹೌದಲ್ಲ? Yes, so option B is the correct answer. Is it clear? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳಿ. So please don't keep quiet. Yes, option B is the correct option. E1 minus E2 divided by R1 plus R2 plus R into R. Okay, let us go for the next question. You see, a capacitor of 8 farad is connected as shown. Charge on the question ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, that is charge on the plate of the capacitor is. So a capacitor of 8 farad is connected as shown in the figure. 8 farad ಆಯ್ತಾ? So charge on the plate of the capacitor is, charge Q value ನೀವು calculate ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಆಯ್ತಾ? So here what we need to do is, whatever the figure is given, so according to this figure, the direction of the flow of the current, we know that it is from the positive terminal to the negative terminal. Okay. So from here to here the current is flowing. Now the current in the circuit is given by. So ನಮಗೆ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಇರೋ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನು, ಸಿ ಇಂಟು ವಿ. ಸೊ ಸಿ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 8 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಬಟ್ ವಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ. ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ವಿ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಶಿಯಲ್ ವಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಇರೋದು ವಿ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು I into R. This I into R. ಹೌದಾ? R is so C, that is given by the current in the circuit is I is equal to, so the current in the circuit is I is equal to V divided by 4 plus 1, which is equal to, it is 1 ampere. Therefore, V is equal to, it is 1 into 4. Therefore, this is equal to 4 volt. So all three are connected in parallel. So parallel formula use ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ. Therefore, next we have the capacity charge is equal to CV. So C is 8 into V is how much? It is 4. It is 32 coulomb. It is 32 coulomb. Correct? So 20 ohm, 4 ohm, 1 ohm all are connected in parallel. Therefore, we can use the parallel combination formula and we can simplify that. So answer is option A. Option A is the correct answer. Yes. Then the next question. So the next question is, C. Okay. Mobility of free electrons in a conductor is, mobility of free electrons in a conductor is directly proportional to electron density, directly proportional to relaxation time. Option C, inversely proportional to electron density. And option D, inversely proportional to relaxation. Mobility is in Yes, students reply. What is the answer? So mobility is denoted by mu. So it is depending on, we know that the mobility is given by yes. What is the answer? Is it audible? Yes. So Anvita is saying option B. Magni is saying option A. That is directly proportional to electron density, directly proportional to relaxation time. Yes. So option B is correct here. Option B is your understanding. So let us go for the next question. Yes. See, effective resistance between A and B in the following circuit is. So you can see where the A and B is there. what is the effective resistance between this A and B? How to simplify this? So to simplify this, we want some equivalent circuit for this one. Okay. So ಇದೇನಾಗತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ equivalent circuit between A and B ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಇದು A and B ಅನ್ನ ನಾನು ಈ ತರ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತೆಗೆದಾಗ here the equivalent circuit comes out to be, so from A point the two wires are going. Okay. Next ಕಡೆಗಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಈ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Okay, so now this is in series with one more resistance here. What we need to do, that is, this is A terminal, so A ಇಂದ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು resistance ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Next to ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬೇರೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ 10 and ಸೇಮ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎ ಇಂದ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಬಂದಿದೆ, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ 10 ohm. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ so this is your B terminal. ಎಲ್ಲಾನು 10 ohm ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲರ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಎ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್, ಸೊ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಎ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಂದ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು 10 ohm ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು 10 ohm ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು 10 ohm ಅದು ಒಂದ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ, ಮತ್ತೊಂದು 10 ohm ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಐ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್, ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಇದಿಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿ ಟರ್ಮಿನಲ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಮುಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ ಸಿರೀಸ್ ವಿತ್ ದಿಸ್ 10 ohm, ಈ 10 ohm. ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದ್ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು, ಕಡೆಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಬಂದಿದೆ. ನೀವು ಹಾಗೆ ಕೆಳಗ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ this is connected with one more 10 ohm and that is this 10 ohm. Correct? So this is this 10 ohm. Yes. So I hope the diagram is clear. Equivalent resistor circuit artha aita, repeat madbeka. So if the circuit is clear, then solution is very simple. So from A, two 10 ohms are going. One is in this direction, one is in this direction. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂತದ್ದು, ಮತ್ತೆ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಬಂದು ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು 10 ohm ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು 10 ohm ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ at this point. ಸೊ ಅದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು 10 ohm ಬಂದು ಬಿ ಎಂಡ್ ಡಿ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು, ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ಮುಗೀತೀಗ. ಕಡೆಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಏನ್ ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಹೋಗಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ 10 ohm ದಿಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್, ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. ಸೊ ಇದು ಒಂದು 10 ohm ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ. So here this is in connection with this 10 ohm. So ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆಯಿಂದ ಬಂದದ್ದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ 10 ohm ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ. So that is this 10 ohm. Correct? So like this the connection is done. Okay, I hope it is clear to everyone. The equivalent circuit is, so again this is the balanced resistance network. So ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, the effective resistance ಅಂದ್ರೆ effective resistance by RB equal to, so without simplification also we can tell this. ಎಲ್ಲ 10 ohm ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ directly the answer will be A, that is 10 ohm ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so the equivalent resistance would be 20 into 20 divided by 20 plus 20. Yes. So if you see that circuit, 2 will be in series. ಅದೇನಾಗತ್ತೆ 10 plus 10 20 ಅಂತ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಹೌದಲ್ಲ? So again another 2 is in series, therefore it is also 10 plus 10 20 ಅಂತ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. Therefore the between A and B, 20 into 20 divided by 20 plus 20. So what is the answer here? It is nothing but 10 ohm. So it is 400 divided by 40. So this is 4 ones are 410. So 10 ohm is the answer here. Yes. So here one step we have not taken, that is first series combination formula use ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಕಡೆಗೆ parallel combination formula ತಗೊಂಡಿದೀವಿ. So series 10 plus 10 20 ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. So if you see that equivalent resistance, so this is in series with this one. So AB ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ series ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ this one, and another one is also in series. So between A and B. Therefore it will be 2020. Is it clear? Okay, the next question. Two heating coils of resistance 10 ohm and 20 ohm are connected in parallel and connected to a battery of EMF 12 volt and internal resistance 1 ohm. The power consumed by them are in the ratio of. Yes. So what they are saying here, the heating coil of resistance 10 and 20 ohm are connected in parallel. So illon resistance is there, kadagillon resistance is there. This is 10 ohm, this is 20 ohm. They are connected in parallel to a battery of. So this is connected to a battery of 12 volt. Okay. And the internal resistance of this battery is 1 ohm. The power consumed is in the ratio of. So power is equal to, we have a formula V square by R. Aita? So why I am taking, actually ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಮೂರು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದೆ. P is equal to VI, P is equal to I square R, P is equal to V square by R. ಸೊ ನಾನೇಕೆ ಇದನ್ನೇ ತಗೊಂತ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ಸೊ ಇದ್ರ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಕನ್ಕ್ಲೂಷನ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ದ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಶಿಯಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಪೋರ್ಷನಲ್ ಟು ದ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್. ಹೌದಾ? The ratio of the power consumed there, P1 divided by P2 is equal to R2 divided by R1. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ inversely proportional ಇದೆ, which is equal to, so the resistance 20 ಮತ್ತೆ 10 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So this is 20 divided by 10. Therefore it is nothing but what? 2 by 1. So it is in the ratio of 2:1. Option C is the correct answer. Yes, it is also C. Yes. Jyoti.
Yes, sir.
Understanding, yes. Anvita, Komala. Yes, Komala replied. Nagalambika, Nagini, Priyanka also replied. So if you are not understanding, ask. I hope this is clear. I'll go for the next question if it is clear to you. Okay, the next question is, the quantity of a charge that will be transferred by a current flow of 20 ampere over 1 hour 30 minutes period is. So will you calculate it? ನೀವೇ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಏನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ, ನೀವೇನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ, ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ, ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎಸ್, ಗೋ ಅಹೆಡ್ ಗರ್ಲ್ಸ್. ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಯುವರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್. ಬಟ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ 20 ಆಂಪಿಯರ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ಏನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಟೈಮ್ 1 ಅವರ್ 30 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ 1 ಅವರ್ 30 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 1 ಅವರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3600 seconds into 30 minute. So 30 minute also convert in seconds. ಸೊ 30 minute 1 hour ಅಲ್ಲಿ 3600 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 30 minute ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದ್ರ ಹಾಫ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1800 ಆಯ್ತು. ಸೊ 3600 plus 1800 is equal to 5400 seconds. Now you can calculate the charge. We know that I is equal to Q by T. So T calculate, Q calculate ಮಾಡಿ. Yes, what is it? Q is equal to I into P. 20 into 5,400. A or B? 10.8 into 10 raised to 4. Yes, correct. B answer correct ಆಗಿದೆ. Yes. Yes, Komala, Jyoti. More to answer that. Priyanka. Others, Anvita. Getting. So just multiply ಮಾಡಿ decimals ಅನ್ನ shift ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Option B is the correct answer. So go for the next question, girls. In meter bridge experiment with a standard resistance in the right gap and a resistance coil dipped in water in the left gap, the balancing length obtained is L. If the temperature of water is increased, the new balancing length is. So meter bridge experiment ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? Yes, have you all performed the meter bridge experiment? So meter bridge experiment ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ right gap, left gap ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. No. Deleted or what to see? Because Harry, I think delete ಮಾಡಿದಾರಲ್ಲ. Did not perform that. Actually, if you see that meter bridge experiment, then the question will be little clear. So I'll try to convince you. That is, here one thing you remember, that is whatever the meter bridge is there, it is a ohmic device. So already you people know what is Ohm's law. Ohm's law, that is Ohm's law states that the V is directly proportional to I at constant temperature. Correct? So here, as it is depending on the ohmic device, so in the meter bridge experiment, actually two gap ಬರುತ್ತೆ. One gap ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, a resistance coil is dipped in water, and in one gap you are connecting a resistance box. Okay, the balancing length, so ಇದು ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಾವು ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಅನ್ನ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ನೀವು, ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ವಾಟರ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ is obvious that the temperature of the water when you are increasing, whatever the new length is there, that is always option A, greater than the first length. It is greater than the first length. Why? Because temperature ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ whatever that resistance is, the resistance will get affected. Therefore option A is the correct option here. So practically if you see that instrument, it will be little easy to understand. Okay, now you just remember that as you increase the temperature, resistance will vary. So because of the resistance, the increase in the balancing length we can observe. So option A is the correct answer. Okay, next question. That is, of the following graph, the one that correctly represents the IV characteristics of ohmic device. Yes. So ohmic device, which is the graph. option is correct. So that is, it is a straight line. ಎರಡು proportional ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ option A is correct. So it is passing through the origin and it is a straight line. Next question. The value of I in the figure shown below is. So here you can see the I, it is going out of the circuit. So what is the value of I? Yes. Option B is correct. Yes, Komala, correct it is. Can you explain the solution? Option B is right. Yes, students, how to solve it? Yes, what about other students? Everyone is getting yes. Correct. Kirchhoff's first law we are applying. So therefore we will get it as that is 421 ampere. See how to solve this. That is, so at the junction of A, here it is I1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ A ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ 20 minus 5 it is, therefore it is 15 ampere. ಆಯ್ತಾ? I3, so at the junction of B, I3 is equal to, it is I1 plus 4, that is nothing but 15 plus 4, that is nothing but 19 ampere. Correct? Next, at the junction of C, so I'll name it as in the figure, this is my A, this is my B, this is my C, and this is my D. So I3 is equal to I1 plus 4, that is 15 plus 4 is equal to 19. Then at the junction of C, it is I2 is equal to, so I2 is equal to, it is 5 minus 3. So 5 minus 3 is equal to, it is 2 ampere. Aita? Therefore, it is 19 plus 2. That is I4 is equal to, the remaining current is I3 plus I2, which is equal to 19 plus 2. That is nothing but 21 ampere. So, yarige artha agilla, you can write on this solution. Yes, correct. Very good. Okay. Last one question. So copper is to be shaped into a conducting wire of maximum resistance The suitable length and diameter are dash and dash respectively. So what they are asking here, that is a piece of copper is to be shaped into a conducting wire of maximum resistance. So resistance maximum, the suitable length of diameter, length and diameter. So what we will do here, that is nothing but resistance R is equal to rho into L upon area, rho into L upon area, which is equal to rho into L divided by area of the wire is given by pi r square. This is equal to rho into L divided by namatra diameter ide, radius alla, hauda? So diameter madhe radius ke in relation irutte, that is nothing but diameter is equal to 2 times of the radius, or radius is equal to half of the diameter. Correct? So therefore I can substitute here d by 2 whole square, that is nothing but 2 square is 4, so it is 4 rho into L divided by pi d square. Correct? So therefore, which option is right? That is option B is correct. That is when your diameter will be half, the radius, that is the length must be 2L. That is option B is the correct option. Okay. Yes. So again, Friday class, we will see some more questions on the current electricity only. Then after that, we can go for the next topic. So any school, like college exam, anything is there, test or anything? So if any test or anything is there, you can inform in the advance, Aita, so that we can suspend the classes during that time. So inform your test dates. Either you can inform to sir, or during the class you can inform to any of the teachers. From 8th you have. Okay. What about others? 8 August 8. It's coming next week only. Others? So Komala, Priyanka, Jyoti, Nagini, Nagalambika. What about yours? August 25 for Jyoti. 10. It's almost everybody is having next week except Jyoti. August 10. Okay. So class end, Madana, we will conduct the classes, or we will keep off during that time? Because most of you have except Jyoti. Okay. What about others' opinion? Next week we need to start with the 4th topic, Aita. Yes, we will take the class. Okay. No problem, na? Okay. Okay, done. So we will continue in the Friday class. Again, same current electricity only. Yes. Thank you. Okay, students, bye.